From the moment we're born, we start life feeling as though we're at the center of the universe. As infants, surrounded by loved ones, every little achievement, our first smile, first step, is celebrated as monumental. This nurturing environment, where we are constantly observed and cared for, shapes our understanding of the world, making us believe that our existence holds profound significance. This support system follows us into early schooling, where teachers guide us, celebrate our accomplishments, and offer comfort when we struggle. Praise from both family and educators reinforces our self-worth and confidence, solidifying the belief that our efforts are worthy of attention. However, as we grow older, a starkly different reality begins to reveal itself. The world outside our immediate circle is one of startling indifference, where the vast majority of people do not notice our struggles or achievements. Walking through a bustling city or sitting alone in a crowded space, we realize that we are largely invisible. The world doesn't pause for us, nor does it celebrate or comfort us as it once did. This realization can be jarring, even disheartening, and it often brings feelings of loneliness and disillusionment. We mourn the loss of that cocoon of care, feeling small against the vast backdrop of life. Yet, amid the disappointment, lies a crucial but often overlooked truth. There is liberation in this indifference. We mistakenly feel both invisible and overly scrutinized, imagining that others notice and judge our every flaw, yet we forget how preoccupied we ourselves are with our own lives. This perspective shift can be enlightening. Think about the last time you were in a crowd. Did you analyze every detail about those around you, or were you focused on your own thoughts? Just as others do not dwell on our every misstep, we do not fixate on theirs. Realizing this can relieve us of the self-imposed pressure to appear flawless. Understanding this can humble us, freeing us from the burden of constant self-consciousness. We're able to stumble, try new things, and grow without the fear of harsh judgment. This realization encourages us to pursue our goals with less worry, knowing that our lives are not the focal point of others' attention. The truth that no one really cares becomes a comforting realization, reminding us that we are free to be ourselves, to make mistakes, and to grow. We can embrace our unique journeys with courage and authenticity, and we can show kindness to ourselves and others along the way. This liberation from the need for constant validation enables us to live with open hearts and minds, fostering a world where everyone can thrive, beautifully imperfect and wholly free. If this message resonated with you, feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts. Wishing you a beautiful day, filled with newfound freedom and self-acceptance.